Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. If you are unable to update your Windows 11 or you are getting any kind of error, in this video I will show you how to fix it. So without wasting your time, let's start with our first step. Click on your Windows icon. Now click on the search box and type Troubleshoot Settings. Click on this option, Troubleshoot Settings. Click on this option, Other Troubleshooters. Now you will see this option, Windows Update. Click on Run. So this troubleshooter will fix your Windows Update related issues. You have to wait for a few minutes. In the most cases, this troubleshooter will fix your issue, but if you are still getting the same issue, cut this window. Again, click on Windows icon, click on search box and type Services. Click on this Services app. Now you have to search for a service called Windows Update. Right click on this service, Windows Update, then click on Properties. Now in the startup type, change it to automatic, then click on Apply. After that, click on Start to run this service, then click on OK. Now cut this window and check if you are still getting the same issue. Open your C drive. Now open this Windows folder. Now search for a folder named Software Distribution. Open this folder, Software Distribution. Now press Ctrl A to select all the files and folder. After that, press Delete to delete all the files. So these are the temporary files. Delete all the files. After that, restart your system and check. If you are still getting the same issue, now move on to a last step. Click on Windows icon. Now in the search box, type CMD. Right click on command prompt, then click on Run as Administrator. Now you have to type a command sfc/scan now. So this command will repair all the Windows corrupted files. Press enter. So the verification process has been started, and after the verification process complete, simply cut this window and restart your system. This will fix your issue as well. So these are some troubleshooting steps you can apply. This is all for the video. Thank you.